So let's start with today's recipe. Now here I have 2 teaspoons of miri powder or pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder or jeera powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of clove or lavang powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. This is 1 tablespoon of tamarind soaked in 1/4 cup of warm water, some fresh coriander, 1 small onion, 1 small tomato, 1 green chilli chopped fine, some ginger garlic paste, and these are about 20 prawns that I've taken. You can use any other fish. Okay, now first I'm going to start by heating half a teaspoon of oil in the pan. I'll write all the ingredients in the description box below. Now you're going to mix all these powder masalas, and this is your Jirem Mirem masala powder ready. So you can use bangda, you can use surmai, you can use pomfret, and I'm also squeezing out all the juice of the tamarind. So this comes to about 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice that we're going to use. Now once the oil is hot, I'm just going to add this ginger garlic paste. So I've just taken half an inch of ginger and about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and just coarsely ground it. Then I'm going to add my green chilli and saute it really well. Add the onion, saute the onion well. And then you add your tomato and mix the tomato in well too. I also have a Jirem Mirem using meat. I'll leave a link to that below. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of coriander leaves. I like to use the stalks, the tender stalks as well, because they have a lot of flavor. So just mix all of this really nicely together. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of water and mix it in well, because we've added powder masala, so we want those powder masalas to cook. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water, some more water. You can adjust it according to how you like it, whether you like it really thin or you like it as this, this little bit of a thicker consistency. Then I'm going to add some salt to taste. Also, this gets ready really quickly. Mix everything really well. Give it a taste to see if you need more salt, and now you can add the prawns. You can also use pomfret, you can use surmai, you can use miri, even bangda, anything you can use, whatever for this Jirem Meerem masala. It's really very versatile. And now you're just going to cover and cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes on a very low flame. It's almost ready. We just have to add the tamarind juice for that little bit of tanginess, and mix everything well together, and then garnish it with some fresh coriander. And your lovely Jirem Mirem masala curry is all ready. It goes superbly well with some Goan boiled rice. I'll leave a link to my Goan boiled rice recipe in the description box below. It's really delicious, guys, so you must try out this recipe. Today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.